Duke, move your head. I can't see.
I don't think Duke wants you to finish that math. He wants to play.
He's not helping.
Gentle, Leo. Be very gentle. Oh! He gave you a boop. Did you see that?
Who is that? Is that a puppy in the mirror? Yeah, that's him. Oh, he sneezed on you. Just like you.
Whoa, she was fast. Stay back and let her get back to her babies, guys.
Slow and steady. I think Mr. Tortoise is actually winning the race, Sophie.
Hey, he stole your hat.
You look so confused.
I think it's a bit tight for him, Sophie. He looks like a yellow marshmallow.
He loves you so much. Look, he's giving you a little forehead kiss.
Don't scare the fishy. See him hiding? He's playing hide and seek with you guys.
He's working hard. Tap, tap, tap. Can you do it faster? Show the birdie. Wow.
Pop, pop.
He's a race car driver now. Go, Charlie, go. Did that bird just talk? No way. Sophie, did you hear that? He said hello to you.
Nice catch.
Hey, careful. He's a pro at that game. Don't let him win, honey.
It's a goat mosh pit. Watch your toes, Sophie. They're better jumpers than you. You're so bouncy. Hold on.
Boing! Look at him go! He's a better swimmer than you are. Splash him back, buddy. Wow, what a beautiful duet. Are you guys starting a band? Tell him good job, Leo.
Good job.
Catch it! Got it!
Oh!
Careful. Go get it. Oh, lights.
Oh, look. You have a visitor. Say hi to the birdie. Oh, there he goes.
Get the bubbles. Oh, look at Charlie. He's helping you pop them. Whoa, careful. You got it.
Oh.
Sharing is caring, you two. Simba, let him have the toy for a second. Oh, now you're both cuddling.
On your nose. Don't move, it's a tiny friend. See it, Leo? Right there.
Beep! Spin!
He thinks your coat is tasty. He's just a baby like you. Give him a little pat. Did you see that leap? Simba is a ninja! And Leo is the backup ninja! Watch out!
Hey there, buddy, don't be shy. Flap your fins and let it fly. Wiggle, waggle, side to side. I'm a silverfish.
He loves you so much. Look, he's giving you a little forehead kiss.
That's yours.
You can do it.
There it is. Look, Charlie's talking to the phone. Do you see the birdie, Leo? Get it.
There's only one dog, sweetie.
Softest nap in the world. The chicken is tired now.
Oh no, Max stole it. Look, the bird is mad now. Bad boy, Max.
Zip! Ready? Zip! Sparkly!
Hello. I think he just gave you his answer. Did you get that on record, Sophie? He's too fast for you. Look at those little legs go. Whoa. Oh, are you okay, Sophie? Yeah. The ducky won.
Open! You got it!
There, honey. That bird is way too smart for us.
Slide. You got it.
You trading? Uh-oh. Oh no. You're gonna taste the dog ball?
Peek!
Slide.
What are you doing?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
They're having so much fun.
Oh, buddy, you're good. He's got the moves. I think the rooster is winning the dance off, Oliver.
Okay, you win.
Okay.
Be nice. Be nice.
Mama, you can sit down. Almost. Whoa. You're smushy. I got you.
He looks so done with you right now.
Whoa. You riding with me? No. Okay.
Getting it all clean, huh?
Yummy.
Oh, he wants a turn. Look at that belly mop. Good helper, buddy.
Steady. Wait.
can't see anything now. You blinded him.